Hello everyone, let's begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with chapter 21, all of you, and the name of the chapter is Phonology. We human beings speak different languages, and the other creatures, they make particular sounds which they can only understand. There are also some other typical sounds which are made by the lifeless objects. So in this chapter today, we are going to know about the various sounds which are made by the various non-living or the lifeless objects. So what do we have to do is, we have to write suitable words taken from the help desk, so in order to fill these blanks. So let's begin with it. Let's begin with the first one, and it is the dash of arrows, and the sound is known as whooshing, the whooshing of arrows. Next we have the dash of bells, and the sound of bells is known as chumming. Then the third one is the dash of a guitar, and the answer is strumming. Fourth is the dash of a clock, and the sound is known as ticking. Fifth, the dash of coins, answer is clinking. The dash of corks, and the answer for corks is popping. Next, the dash of the rain, and this is known as pattering. The sound of rain is called pattering. The dash of hands, and we call it clapping. Then the ninth is the dash of hinges, and this is squeaking, S-Q-U-E-A-K-I-N-G. Next, 10th is the dash of silk, and the answer is scrolling. Next, the dash of skirts, and the answer is swishing. Next we have the dash of teeth. The answer for this is clenching. Then the 13th one, the dash of thunder, and the answer is the rumbling. Then we have the last one, and it says the dash of a whip or a whip, and the answer is crackling. So these were all the respective sounds of the various lifeless or non-living, you can also say, tools or objects. Next we have the your answer please part, and it says that do you like the smell of rain? जब बारिश होती है तो एक बहुत ही सौंधी सी खुशबू आती है मिट्टी से, and they are asking you that question about it, that do you like the smell of rain? So you have to write the answer for this on your own in your book over here. This was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.